guys, Leroy Progress again. Now, I've just had an update. Right? I know I put into my bulletins that I said that they'd be sending a paramedic down after Manuel Gonzalez. Apparently, that's not quite the case. Apparently, it turns out that Manuel Gonzalez might actually have also been a medic, as well as a mine technician. So, basically sending him down meant that they pretty much covered everything in the one person. At the moment, as it stands at the moment, for Florencio Alvarez Silva, which is, as we all know, the first guy who was going to be coming up, is actually getting kitted up. And by the time you guys receive this video, hopefully he should be on the surface. So, where things are standing at the moment, it looks like he'll be going up. Alright? And probably by the time you get this, like I said, he will be up. Once he is up on the surface, however, he will be sent straight to triage and then shifted straight off to hospital, either by plane or by car. I don't know how foggy it is over there, but I have heard that if it gets too foggy, he will be sent by car because it will be too dangerous by plane, because it is a real pea soup when it gets foggy. So, as it stands at the moment, Florencio Alvarez Silva is coming up in the capsule, and yep, hopefully by the time you guys get this video, he should be up on the surface. Now, as a result of this, now that I know that now I'm fairly certain he's coming up, or is already up by the time you see this, there's every possibility that I might not actually keep in a continuous view on the news. Alright? Hopefully I'll try and get another one in later on tonight when I've heard a little bit more. But for now, this is pretty much where my reports end. So until next time, I'm Leroy Progress. This is the special edition of the Chilean Mine Rescue, and hopefully later on tonight I'll give you another report. If I don't do it tonight, maybe tomorrow. Alright? So until then, I'll see you guys next time.